Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. My name's Chris and today we're going to show you how to service air filters on a cab tractor. This is a 1990 series Maxxum 5000s, 5100s, 5200s. It's the same process for each. I thought I'd start doing some real short sort of how-to repair videos. I've done a lot of repair videos on the tractors, trucks, equipment, excavators, skid steers, even done some welding stuff. I did a winch install. I did all kinds of how-to videos, but they were a little bit longer and they're kind of mixed in with some other content, so they're hard to find. So I just thought here and there, moving forward now, I'm gonna do just some short, specific how-to videos. So subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, hit the bell icon so you don't miss those, and go back and check out some of the other ones. If you have an interest in anything specific, you can just search on the channel, you know, skid steer, excavator, tractor, truck, stuff like that. You can kind of go back and look and find some of those, fabrication, again, the winch install. So check those out. But sorry about the heater noise. We're nearing the end of April. I was outside plowing yesterday in 60-degree weather, and today it's like 30-some degrees. So it is what it is. But to get started here, the first thing we're going to do is change. There's a big long air filter right here in the back, and this is the primary filter here for air for the cab. So we're going to change that. I'm going to show you that quick. I got a Napa one. I use the Napa brand air filters in my two cab tractors. So I just want to show you the number. Here it is. Alright, sorry guys, there's not really a good angle to put the camera here. So basically there's two knobs here that you're going to unscrew right in the back. Watch, because you're going to get a face full of dust if this is dirty. This just hinges down, and then the filter pops right out. Should pop right out. There we go. All right, here is our old dirty filter, and here is our nice clean new filter. And don't break the window. It does have arrows on it here, if you can see that pointing up. There's a rubber gasket. That's the side you want facing up, and there's a mesh screen under here that goes down. Basically we put that in there and we push it back up. Now there is some wires there for some lights, these lights in the back, so just kind of have to, there we go, make sure that those get pushed up out of the way. Now, one thing I will tell you about putting this in is usually it's a lot harder to get the new one in than it was to get the old one out. But got that tightened down. And we are good to go. You don't want to over tighten stuff, especially on an older tractor. This is all plastic, so you want it snug, but you don't, you know, old plastic can get fragile. So just snug it and don't go crazy on it. Don't put pliers on it, that type of thing. So this job is all done. Now I'll show you the ones in the cab. Okay, once again, I don't have a good place to put you. This is behind the driver's seat right here. There's your console. You go up and over. There's this little guy here. You can recirculate the air in the back. Same deal. There is two knobs, one here and one here. We're going to take those out and drop this plastic cover off. All right, so there's the back side of the plastic cover. And what we're looking for is these two guys right here. There's one here and one here. And these are actually washable. Ooh, you can see the dust coming out of that. These are actually washable filters. So we're gonna go wash them and clean them up. And then we'll put them back in. But what we're gonna do also, before we put this back together, is we're gonna wipe this area down. All right, we got that all cleaned up. We got our filters nice and washed that go up in these corners here. I'm going to shove these back up in there. Like I said, I can't quite do that on camera. I just just a nice easy Dawn detergent on these guys. You wash them, kind of pat them dry, let them dry, and then you can put them back in. All right, those two are back in. Just be careful when you put them back in, since they're so flexible. The upper corners up there, you know, there's kind of a little tray they sit in, and with this bracket here and the way the roof comes down, it's hard to kind of see and feel up there. But just make sure that your filter doesn't get folded over behind the lip or curved over in front where it's not going to seal as good. I mean, you know, these aren't perfectly sealing anyway, but just take your time with it when you put them back in. So here is our cover, all cleaned up. Same thing, cleaned it up, blew it off, armor-alled it, and it's ready to go back on. All right, same idea here. When you tighten down these plastic knobs, 30-year-old plastic, just snug them, take it easy. Don't need to go crazy. And there it is. Now, I did not clean this side of the cover because I got to clean the whole cab tractor. But there you go. If you want to recycle the air, there's that. One of the reasons I made this video is because I didn't think a lot of people would know, you know, if you just get one of these tractors, it doesn't have the original owner's manual with it type of thing. I didn't think a lot of people would know that these filters up here even existed. So anyway, that's that. All right, guys, that completes the video here on this Case International 5140. We're going to be doing some other work to this tractor while it's in the shop. Got to do put a new muffler on, some other service work, so stay tuned for those videos. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the subscribe, the bell icon. Any questions, comments, leave them down below, no problem. I just realized there's dirt on my lens, so hopefully this turns out okay. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I sure hope to see you on the next video. Oh, and by the way, if you made it to the end, thank you. Let me know what you think of these short how-to videos. Like them, dislike them, whatever. You know, just let me know what you think. And like I said, I think I might make some more just short ones. All right, see you later.